So I'm gonna teach you guys how to replace the battery on this Valvetronic remote. It's pretty simple. You can get yourself a tweezer or a screwdriver, but all you have to do is pop that backside off. And once you do, that backside pop off. Be careful, try not to push it too much because the board is screwed on. Let me get this open real quick. There you go. As you can see, be careful when pulling this off because it's when you clip it back on, especially the push tab. Screw both of those. There's two screws right there. And then you want to get yourself a CR2032 and your boot. Just pop it back in. It's gonna take a little bit of force, but boom. Fully back